In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Lovable website or app step by step. First, open Lovable and head to the project you want to put live. This is your working space where all your pages, settings, and assets live, so make sure you're inside the correct app or website before proceeding. It helps to quickly scan your latest changes and confirm everything looks right in the editor or preview. Check key pages, navigation, and any forms, and verify that images load properly. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good moment to confirm you have the right permissions to publish. Next, look to the upper right corner for the Publish option. When you select it, Lovable will ask where you want your site or app to live. You can choose a custom domain that you already own, or use a free domain provided by Lovable. If you already have a domain, this is a great way to reinforce your brand and make your URL easy to share. Lovable typically guides you through connecting your domain with simple DNS records, and most registrars make that straightforward. Plan a little buffer time for DNS changes to propagate. It can be quick, but sometimes takes a bit longer. If you don't have a domain yet, or you want to go live fast, the free Lovable domain is perfectly fine. Pick a clean, memorable URL so it's easy for people to type and remember. One practical tip: if you're uncertain about your domain setup, you can publish to the free domain first, confirm everything works, and then switch to your custom domain later. When you're happy with your selection, click Publish. Lovable will start building and deploying your project. During this process, it packages your latest changes, sets up hosting, and applies security features like HTTPS so your visitors see the little lock icon in their browser. You may notice a short delay while everything completes. That's normal. Once it's done, you'll receive a live link to your site or app. After you're live, visit your URL in a fresh browser window or an incognito tab to see it exactly as a visitor would. Test key user paths, try it on mobile and desktop sizes, and refresh a couple of times if you're not immediately seeing updates due to caching. Remember, you can always return to your project, make edits, and publish again. Each publish updates your live site with the latest changes, and that's it. Your Lovable website or app is now live. Congratulations on launching, and enjoy sharing your work with the world.